Hey guys, I'm getting ready to have some lunch. I have some leftover Chipotle. I wish I would have saved more of it. I'm starving. It's like 3:30 and all I've had today is a Pop-Tart. It is January 4th. I can't believe it already. So, I don't have any of the chips left, so I just have regular Tostitos chips, but I do have their guacamole and their salsa, which I'm assuming are still good. We went there on New Year's Eve, was it? Oh, yes. We hadn't had Chipotle in so long. And we were at the store getting groceries. And it just sounded so good. So we got it, and I never eat it all. Which makes it even better, because then it's like 2 meals for the price of one. Uh-oh. So, I get the chicken bowl, and I get brown rice, black beans, the fajita vegetables, what else is in here? The mild salsa, then I get lettuce, cheese, sour cream, and guacamole. That's so good. I'm literally sad that there's not that much in here. Because it is so good and I'm so hungry. Yes, this cold is still lingering around. I'm on round 2 of antibiotics. They called me in a second set because I still wasn't over it. And I thought the kids were like gonna make out okay. But then today Alex like literally woke up crying with red cheeks and like a rash around her face, like around her mouth. Sorry. And at first I thought it was like her teeth, like, and then she like didn't want to eat today. So I'm like, okay, maybe it's her teeth. But she doesn't have a diaper rash. And then she ended up eating lunch. She had like a whole peanut butter and pickle sandwich, and she had some strawberries. And then her eyes started getting red and glassy. And she started running a fever. And her nose started running. So I gave her some Benadryl. And some Tylenol. I just rocked her to sleep. She was asleep in like 3 minutes. So I don't know if it's teeth or if she is starting to get it. Last year, 2018, she ended up sick. Like, she wasn't feeling the best and was acting funny on New Year's Eve. And then on New Year's Day, we took her in and she got admitted for RSV. And she was in there for a few days. So I'm hoping that it doesn't turn to that. Because I don't want to start this year off like last year. I've been sick for like 2 weeks. I had Adri at the ER because of her belly the day after Christmas. Well, it was like 1:30 in the morning, so it's technically 2 days after Christmas, but. Okay, their salsa might not be good anymore. It's like really strong and almost sour. Come on, tomato. I think those tomatoes might be like on the verge of being bad. What the heck? We'll skip it. Adri doesn't like Chipotle. She thinks it's spicy. So we only get it. What day was it that we went? Because she was at my mom's, but she came home on New Year's Eve. Did we get this on New Year's Day? I don't remember. Was it New Year's Eve or the day before New Year's Eve? God, it's so good. Alex ate it. I mean, she eats everything. Jay even said it was really good that day, though. I always like it. Brr. Getting cold. I picked up all the toys today. I got everything vacuumed. What are you doing, Adri? Okay. You can walk normal. The girls ate. The girls had, what is it, peanut butter and pickle sandwiches. That's what Adri requested. And I didn't know if Alex would eat it, but she did. Adri barely ate hers.
I barely ate my sandwich.
Yeah.
What are you having?
Leftover Chipotle. You don't like Chipotle. We got it when you were at Nana's. Every time you've tried it, you've said you don't like it because it's spicy. Don't message anybody, okay? Because we don't need anybody stopping over today. Allie's sick. I have things to do.
I was just wondering if Greg will write a new message
Oh.
back.
Well, don't message him to come over, okay? Like, I love family. I love the holidays. Now that they're over, like, I just need us time. Like, I don't need people just stopping by here and there with no warning. So, like, if they come while I'm trying to put her to sleep, then it's like, distracts that. If I'm trying to work, it distracts that. I had to go change clothes. If I'm wearing, like, certain pajamas, go put a bra on. Like, I just want to hang out at home. Plus, if you're a stay-at-home mom, or like a babysitter, you know how important, like, timed naps are. I mean, some people just don't get it. Just because I'm, like, a stay-at-home mom doesn't mean we don't have, like, a routine or, like, a schedule. I mean, most people, they clock in at the same time at their job. They clock out at the same time. I mean, they clock out for lunch and have that set time for their lunch break. It's the same here at home for stay-at-home moms. Well, for a lot of us, especially if you're trying to, like, work from home. I mean, you plan on eating at this set time and having naps start at this certain time and end at this certain time. And then you know, okay, I can work during this time because my only time while they're sleeping. If naps are off, it throws off the whole day. If you eat or feed a kid a meal too late, then the other meal is going to be later. Like, we're on a schedule too, people. Okay? Not everyone. When you have little ones that need naps by certain times, meals by certain times, snacks by certain times, bedtime by a certain time, like, you have to stick to that. Especially we're trying to get back on track because Adri goes back to school Monday. We'll be getting up at 7 again. So I'm trying to get him to go to bed earlier and get up earlier. Plus, like, some people when they come over, they take their shoes off at the door. Me and Adri, we take our shoes off at the door. Jay, he doesn't normally, but he comes in the back, so I don't care if he gets crumbs in the back because we don't really go back there. But the people that don't, they're tracking stuff in. Like, I'm fine vacuuming the living room and dining room like 3 times a week or every day if needed for like crumbs for my kids, but I cannot vacuum the whole entire downstairs every day because stuff keeps getting tracked in because people won't take their shoes off. So I'm ready for no company. No unexpected visitors. And also, I spent way too many weekends cleaning in 2018. So for 2019, weekdays are for working out, and keeping up with cleaning. Weekends are for fun and relaxing and just like doing things as a family. And if I want to work out on the weekend, that's fine. Sunday nights are always going to be the nights that I change sheets, because then we start the week off with clean sheets on beds. I don't know, like my whole adult life. Way before kids. I might have even still done it when I lived at home. That was just a day. I change sheets weekly. Oh my god. I'm sorry. One of these days this crap will be gone. But yeah, I change sheets weekly. Sunday nights. Everyone gets baths and showers. Start their week off clean and then clean beds. Like if I put clean sheets on my bed, I don't care what time I get to bed. After having a bath, I have to have a bath first. I cannot climb into clean sheets dirty. I just can't do it. There's times like, oh god, I'm so tired. I forgot to put clean sheets on the bed. Doesn't matter. I still gotta go get clean first. This is so good. We're finally getting down to the last of our leftovers. I threw away the Christmas ones, what was left. We just have a few left from New Year's Eve. Like a little bit of Jay's sausage dip. that bacon ranch cheese ball I made. Some shrimp. I think one piece of pizza that Jay's dad made. That's pretty much it. It's just so good. Last night we ran to Sam's. Went to Sam's as soon as we got there. I got a soft pretzel with cheese for the girls to snack on while we were there, since we hadn't had dinner. And they had a churros, so I got a churro. That was so good. Girls were fine. Allie was fine. She went to town on that pretzel. We got like 6 of the, it's like a pack of 6 1-pound portion controlled or whatever, portioned out of the 80-20 ground beef, because I think taco salad sounds good. Chili does too. With that, we got a big huge box of the 50 bags of the cheddar and sour cream ruffles, because we're out of those. We still have quite a few Doritos, so I didn't get Doritos. We got strawberry, or no, we didn't get strawberries. I got those at Walmart. I got, what else did we get at Sam's? Oh, a big huge pack of batteries, because Alex's sound machine was completely dead yesterday at nap time. It wouldn't even come on. And then we came home. And I was like, you know, I have a gift card, because we had a gift card for Sam's and Walmart, and Jay forgot to take it. So when we got home, I said, you know, I'll just take it and run to Walmart and get strawberries. They wanted like $8.50 for a 2-pound thing at Sam's. The last time I bought them at Meijer last week, they were $5 for 1 pound. So I'm like, I'll just run to Walmart and get strawberries, get a few other things. So I stopped at Dollar Tree and got glue sticks and the little squeezy glues and a stapler, because Adrian was wanting to do stuff and we were out of all of those. I spent $5. I don't think I've ever went to Dollar Tree and only spent $5. Well, $5 plus tax. And then I went to Walmart. I got, what did I get? I got a 12-pack of Sprite Zero. I can't find cases of it anywhere anymore. So a 12-pack of Sprite Zero. I got flavor packets for water. I got a big pack of strawberries for $4 something. I got frozen buttermilk pancakes. I also got a box of actual pancake mix. I got a 4-pack of tuna pouches. I grabbed 2 flavors of sparkling water for Jay to try. I got a cherry vanilla and then a cherry limeade. I got 2 bags of shredded lettuce for taco salad. Then I came home, ate dinner. Alex was still fine. Like, she was completely fine the whole night. Poor baby. We need to clean Adria's room so we can get her Christmas stuff put away. She made a huge mess on this counter. I still need to clean up my pantry and get it kind of organized because just like there's just so much crap in there. All of the chips and stuff from New Year's Eve are still on the table. And all the baking day stuff, I need to get rid of it. And put stuff in the pantry. We need to declutter the downstairs bathroom cupboard because Jay has like, he has it destroyed. He has empty containers of deodorant. Like, why not just throw them in the trash can? There's like Dayquil, NyQuil with like literally this much and not even like a full dose. Like, just throw them away. Like, I went to find the thermometer. I'm like, what is all this crap in here? So we need to get through that. So this weekend will be the last of cleaning crap on the weekend because I want to get those things done. So I need to pantry. Plus on the weekend we'll all be here so we can all help out. Pantry. Downstairs bathroom. And Adri's room. Like, I still have my makeup stuff to declutter, but I do that on my own time. I don't need anybody's help. Do it when the girls go to bed. Got the fridge cleaned out. On the 1st. The cupboards, I haven't been keeping those packed full, so they're pretty much cleaned out. Their guacamole is so good. We actually got 2 of them. We ate one while we were there. Their chips are so good with the lime on them. They just don't give you enough in a bag. I mean, for as pricey as it is, they should give you like a full bag. At least a half a bag. You don't even get like half of the little bag. I went to the doctor yesterday for my 24-week appointment. Everything was great. Baby measures right on track. There's no issues with me. Baby's heart rate was 153. My blood pressure was, what, 108 over 68. I gained a couple pounds. I had on my big old Ugg boots, so I don't know exactly how accurate that is, but that's okay. So good. On my next appointment, it's in 4 weeks, which is on Adri's birthday. It's on January 31st. And they're going to check my sugar. And I failed the test with Alex, so for the end of the last so much of my pregnancy with Alex, I had to check my sugar all day, every day. It sucked, my fingers hurt so bad. I had gestational diabetes, but every time I would check it was never low. It was high like one time. I mean, it was never high. It was high like one time, and that's when I had Panera bread. I had the soup and a bread bowl and the extra baguette and the sandwich because I get like the soup and sandwich. So yeah, all that bread was high. I had to go meet with the dietitian every time I had an appointment. It was a real pain. Especially, and they even gave me like a prescription for, what was it, glipizide? Which I never took a single pill because it was never high when I checked it. I had to write down what you ate. So, for the next 4 weeks, I think I'm going to be carving it up while I can. Poor Allie. Because when she was born, before I could feed her, they'd have to check her sugar, and she'd sit there and cry and want food so bad. I'm like, hold on, honey, they have to check your sugar. It was terrible. Not being able to feed your newborn because their sugar was high. But it went away for both of us, like, within 2 days. Mine was done right away. It's like instantly once you give birth, yours is no longer high. And they just check the babies for the first couple of days. Some babies, I think they poke their toe. I'm almost sure it was their toe or their heel. That was so good. The baby has hiccups. Yesterday the baby has hiccups all the time. And the doctor asked me, is the baby moving all? I said, oh yeah, the baby's moving and doing somersaults and has hiccups all the time. The baby never is still. Last night I was sitting back there. Joe was playing his guitar. We were deciding if we were going to go to Sam's or not. And I saw it. Like, the baby had he had hiccups, but I'm not sure if he kicked at the same time or if it was a hiccup. But I saw my belly jump like big time, and I watched and I saw it again a second time, but then he wouldn't do it after that. But I couldn't believe I could see it from the outside already. Some days I feel huge, and other days I don't feel so big for being... I was looking at my calendar. At my next appointment, I'll be 28 weeks. Which means I will be 12 weeks shy of my due date. Which I had the girls I had both of them 2 weeks early. So it'll be like down to 10 weeks. But someone's knocking at my door. So I'm going to end this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Hope you enjoyed Chipotle with me.